Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, for everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I want to show you guys I've made an update, made some changes. But people always ask me, what are all the programs that you're promoting right now? Okay, so I've put all of them in one area on one sales page, except the direct mail program. Okay, so you have one link, one funnel, one link to go check them all out. So these are affiliate programs. These are programs that pay instantly. Okay, starting as low as $50 all the way up to $2,000. Okay, you can make commissions as low as $50 up to $2,000, which means you can get started for low as $50. Okay, guys, so I've put all of them in one area. The link in the description is www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, so if you're looking for a program to get started making money online, definitely affiliate marketing is where I would recommend you go, guys, because all the work has been done. You're selling other people's products, but they have made the website, they've made the videos for you. In most cases, they have a whole marketing system. All you need to do is promote, get people over to your website that they've created for you. Okay, it's already been created, it's already done for you. And these programs are digital products, so there's no shipping that has to be done. You're not customer service. Okay, they have their own support teams, so you're not involved in that, and you get paid instantly, and you decide how you want to get paid. Okay, instantly, no middleman. All right, so let me show you the page that I've put together. I've added another program in there, so check this out. Okay, here we have it. Ways to make money online. Simple programs that's proven and pays you instantly. Okay, so I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 programs here. And then I have a crypto program right here. Okay, which you definitely should check that out. That crypto program pays daily, guys. Okay, I don't think people understand it. That's money. It's going to be paid in crypto, but you can convert it to USD dollars, fiat dollars, to cash. Okay, so it's a great way to earn passively, so you don't have to worry about promoting or sharing anything. Just make your investment, and the company is going to make profits for you. All right, so we got 7 of these programs that you guys can take a look at. You decide what works for you, where you want to get started. All right. So let's click on these very quickly, but go to the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info, and check them all out. Jot down your questions if you have any, and get back with me. I'll be happy to answer those. All right, so let's see. First one up. Let's click it. DWP pays out $200 to $800 per sale. This one, what's different about this one is they have a call center. Okay, that's going to take all the calls. So once you get people over to your page, this is the one that I'm using here. And they've added another video on here, which is awesome. Helps walk you through everything and setting everything up. Call this number. Give them my ID. Okay, that's all you got to do. When you promote this particular program, people are going to see the 800 number and your ID. They'll call that call center. They'll answer all their questions, and you get paid. Okay? So go check it out as well. As low as $200. So it'll be $297 to get in this one to get started. All right? Next one, $200 a pop. That's MSB, My Software Biz. Love it, love it, love it. It's only $250 to get started with this one. Now, it doesn't come with a marketing system, but I can refer you to a third-party marketing system. And with this one, all you're doing is sharing a number. Here's my number. Give it a call. See how it works. So you'll see how it works. Folks will sign up automatically from their phone. Okay? And most of the time, I never even speak to the folks. They call this number, they like what they hear, they like what they see, they go to this site, and they get signed up. You make $200 over and over and over here. It's $250 one-time payment. There's no monthly fees with any of these programs, okay? All right, $300 a day, IPS, okay? The copy-paste method, one of my favorites. It comes with all the ads you're going to need. You're going to post ads on social media. They give you all of that. You get a customized page here for $25. Again, no monthly fees, one-time payment. If you go all in and get the six-figure blueprint, six-figure blueprint is $325. If you select the elite, it's $150 plus the $25. If you select the starter, it's $50 plus the $25. Okay, so this is the program that you can get started for as low as $50. Okay, so get in where you fit in. But I am a pro level member, so I went all in. I have the six-figure blueprint. But this one allows you to be able to make $50, $150, and $300 commissions. All the training is included step by step. Easy breezy, okay? Copy, paste. You can do that. You're good to go, and be consistent with your marketing. Follow the training that's provided. This is a great training platform. This is what I will refer you to right here. All right, guys? So go check this one out. Next up, MAP pays out $247 a pop. Okay, this one's only $280 to get started. $247 plus $33 for the admin. It does come with a total marketing system, all in one. They have all the traffic sources in the back office that you can check out. Not to mention any of these programs, I will also give you my traffic resources and marketing strategies as well. I love this one, low ticket, but these 247s never fail. I continue to get these over and over and over. All these programs are member to member. You're paid directly from the person that clicks your link, and they're going to pay you directly. Again, these are all digital products, okay? So folks will get access to their back office, and they can get into the digital products and start checking them out and learning some things. I've learned some things myself from some of these digital products, okay? So MAP, $247 over and over, $280 to get started with that one. All right, $100 a day from my phone, one of my all-time favorites, TechSpot, pays $100 over and over. All you got to do is share your number with this one. Folks will call the number, and the system will walk them through how to get started. The system will text them your link to TechSpot, and if folks decide they want to join, again, they're going to pay you directly the way you want to be paid, and you're going to specify that in your back office. This program has been around for over 2 years now, and it continues to pay out $100, $100, $100, $100 over and over again. Okay, simply sharing a phone number. Okay. All right, for those of you looking for high ticket, you're like, hey, I don't want those little ticket, small tickets. I want the big tickets, $700 a pop, 700 instant commissions, unlock elevation. Marcus Taylor is the creator of this. I love this program. All these have a video, guys, that's going to do the explaining. That's the other thing. You don't have to figure out, well, what should I say to people? They're going to watch this video. Okay, it's going to explain it. Just lead them there. This comes with a capture page system as well. All right. You can see folks are signing up while I'm talking to you guys. Okay. Great program. You make $700 a pop. It's $9.97 to get in, to get all the training that you're going to get. Capture page system, the funnel, everything you need. $9.97, and you make $700 a pop. Unlock elevation. Not to mention, you're going to get some personal development. You need personal development with any program you join. You've got to get your mind right, okay? And you need personal development. It's one of the components in the making money space, okay? People don't talk about it as much. All you hear is making money, but you've got to have personal development. And this is an awesome program to have in your arsenal. Not to mention, you make $700 per sale, okay? Next one up, another big ticket for my folks that say, hey, I want to make $1,000 a sale. I want to make $2,000 a sale. Okay, That's going to be Exit Elite. Yes, you can get in for low as 100, but we're talking about the high ticket in. So $1,000 or $2,000 commissions you can make with this one. Okay, it's been around for what, 7 years, I believe now. All right, and of course, again, digital products. But see how it has all these videos. The videos is going to do the explaining, so you don't have to. Okay, so if you're looking for the big ticket, 1,000 a pop, 2,000 a pop, this is one you definitely want to check out. All right. Now, one of my crypto projects I've added, I have a total, it's going to be 4, but I'm going to have a funnel for this as well. It's coming. But for now, I've got this one link, but I'm going to have a funnel with all the crypto projects that I'm working in, and then you're going to be able to check those out as well. I highly recommend you guys go look into this. Okay, you definitely need to have this in your arsenal as well. Pegasus, I like this one. I have other ones as well. I just threw this one in here because I'm going to put the funnel in here. But this one, $300 to get started. They're going to pay you 1.5% a day on your money, just sitting there in the account. It's like a savings account. Put your money in. They're going to pay you 1.5% a day, and you can withdraw any earnings that you make on a daily basis instantly. You're going to be paid in Bitcoin. Okay, they also pay dividends, and you can refer other people if you choose to. You don't have to. It's not required to make money with the program. It's going to make money on its own whether you tell somebody or not. That's what I love about these crypto projects. But they do have an affiliate side to it. Okay, but stay tuned. I'm going to have a whole funnel for all 4 of the crypto projects that I'm working, and that way you can look at all of them and at least look into this and start getting involved with it. All right, guys. With that being said, now you have several options. Okay, we have something for everybody, as low as $50 all the way up to $2,000. Okay, it's just up to you. Get in where you fit in, what you're comfortable with. Take a look at them, jot your questions down. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call after you've looked at the whole video of each one that you're interested in. Okay, that way we're on the same page and talking about the same thing, because I know a lot of times people get them confused because they look at so many different projects. So decide what you want to get started with, and I am here for guidance. I am here for support. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.